In this video, I'm going to show you what that you cannot use WhatsApp account. The first thing we are going to do is search your WhatsApp application and go to information of application. Verify the permission that's active and go to the storage. In storage we can see and clear cache. This continue with the problem. We search WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, the first option is go to the page and we contact with us. Here or help center and press in contact us, and you enter your number, your email, over again your email, the type of the phone, and the message. In the message you can write this problem and they contact with us in the days. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content.